Hello everyone, I'm painting Han. Today we are going to paint Cala lily, and also I'm going to use these brushes, Loew-cornell number 6, Davinci number 5, and Escoda versatil number 16. And next colors, this one is some Quinacridone magenta and permanent Arizarine crimson and opera. These colors will be used for flowers, sapgreen, and ultramarine deep for the leaves. This ultramarine deep, yeah, sapgreen and ultramarine deep are my favorite colors for leaves, as they create a beautiful and vibrant deep green shadow. Okay, we are ready to start coloring. First of all, I'm going to apply water in a flower area and leaves thin space between petals because I wanted to create a highlight at the edge of the flower petals. And then take brilliant pink to paint at the petal as a first layer. Apply it nicely and gently. Okay, take a brilliant pink and apply on the outer petal area. And I'm mixing a magenta and a permanent Arizarine crimson and Scarlet Lake for the second layer. Add it on the corner of the inside flower and then blend slowly and gently. Take a thick these colors and leave the thin space between petals. I mean inside the petal and outside the petal. Yeah, so also add it on the outer petal with the same method and colors. So I mean blend nicely. And remember, leave the thin space. It will be the edge of the flower, I mean the highlight. And change the brush which has thin and sharp tip of hairs. If you have it, yeah, don't think about the exactly same brushing with me. Yeah, you can use any brushes. If you have any thin brush, you can use it. And take a thick magenta to put on the inside petal and then blend it softly, and then draw veins one by one, making them thin. And currently, the paper is retaining moisture, causing the colors to blend slightly. As a result, the painting has a soft and moist feel to it, right? And this time I'm going to draw the outer of the flower again with deep magenta to make it more clear, and draw the veins with the tip of the brush. I'm trying to make sure the shape of the flowers with the dark and thick colors. And I'm going to paint the second flower using the same colors and techniques as the first one. So yeah, so first apply water on the flower. I paint it inside of the petal with brilliant pink, and then paint it to another side of the petal. I mean the outer petal. Remember it, yeah, I leave a thin space with the inside petal and outer petal. I'm using almost the same color techniques with the first flower. Yeah, I mixed magenta and a little ultramarine dip, just touching the ultramarine dip, and draw the flower shape surely, and then draw veins in the petals one by one, making veins very thin. And for the third flower, which will be painted using the same technique as the first and second flowers. So I might increase the video speed slightly, okay? I apply the water and first layer with very light brilliant pink mix magenta color. I'm mixing Arizarine crimson and Scarlet Lake and draw the shape. The paper has a little bit of the moisture, so I'm using the brush stroke very slightly quick. So because I don't want to make some dirty mark on the paper, so I'm using my brush motion is very quick. Now it's time to paint leaves. Apply water in leaves and some part of the background area. So I want to use wet on wet style and splatter techniques on the background and on the leaf. So it will be looking natural. Can you see my brush stroke on the background? And I didn't touch the flower area because if I touch the flower color, there will be bleed some, splash the colors. And then I'm using the splatter technique on the background area for looking natural. And change brush to Escoda for leaves. This brush has wide surface and a flat, and the pointed tip. So I want to use it for wide leaves. So look at my brush using the wide surface of the brush. And softly and quickly draw the bottom to the top in an upward motion. Now speed is very important, so move the brush repeatedly with a quick and sweeping motion. So I'm mixing saccharine and ultramarine dip. So for second layer, look at my brush. Speed, very important. So move the brush very quick and repeatedly with a quick and swiftly. Okay? Now next, change the small brush. Use the tip of the brush and make some the shape of the leaf. This paper still has a lot of water, so maybe it will be spread a lot. I want to adding magenta color on the tip of the leaves area. And finally, if there's something you don't like about your painting, try adding a little more depth or using a different color to put here and there. And keep going until you are satisfied with it, but not too much. Don't overwork it, okay? I'm remove some colors in the leaves for the clear shape. And adding some dark green on the leaf. And then also I want to draw some veins on the leaf. Draw the veins on the leaf. Okay. Yeah, this painting almost done, but I'm not satisfied for this painting because leaf area too much spread the paper. So finally, I'm using the splatter technique on the bottom area. And then thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Bye.